Riches.
All right, J&J Sports Cards. We got a box of 07 Absolute Memorbilia. 4 packs.
Looking for him.
Looking for Adrian Peterson, obviously. Reggie Wayne on top. We got a Ryan Robinson, rookie. It's a Roy Williams.
I see Dan Marino.
Dan Marino auto.
Dan Marino auto.
Yeah.
Dan Marino auto. Tools of the trade.
Yeah.
Numbered.
Nice.
1 of 5.
Wow.
1 of 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. There's all your money for all your stuff.
Finally, J&J Sports coming through.
Dan Marino. Nice piece of jersey, man.
Feeling
Tools of the
down
trade
there.
at J&J Sports Cards.
Just throw these
1
in the
of
tray.
5. Nice card right there, man.
Told you I was going to
J&J
need
Sports
this.
Cards.
Told you I was
Still
gonna
got
need that.
3 more packs.
Busted the cherry on the first pack, man. Brian Urlacher.
Mendez is so hot. He's so hot.
Kevin Jones.
NFL, old school. John Hanna.
Numbered 1 of 25.
1 of 25.
1 of 25.
Cool looking card.
It's a cool looking card.
Cool looking piece of jersey. 1 of 25. Both cards are number 1. 1 of 5 and 1 of 25.
Okay, another one here. Adrian Peterson, 1 of 10.
1 of 1.
Holofoil like Strain's got. Kellen Winslow Jr. Y.A. Tittle. Auto. Nope.
It's at number 2.
81 of 100. And then what do we got here? Looks like a triple jersey.
Triple jersey. Team
Team
trios.
trios.
Nice.
Isaac Bruce, Steven Jackson, Torrey Holt. Number 200.
26 of 100. Nice.
We got
more
one pack left. Not doing too bad on this box.
This is a good box.
Dan Marino, Team Trios, John Hanna. That John
Out of the
Hanna's
first
a nice
pack.
card.
Dan Marino. Auto.
No autos other
1
than
of
that Dan
5.
Marino.
Nice
Though.
card.
Should be looking at another auto in here, hopefully. Hopefully we got something good in here. Hank Basket. Got the same card. Spectrum. Rookie Premier Materials. Gaines Adams.
Gaines Adams.
No auto.
Gaines Adams.
Hey, you pulled the best.
Number to 849.
Nice. Hit of the box again, folks. J&J Sports Cards. Dan Marino. Tune in, J&J Sports Cards.